Hi guys, Fonzie here from GM Motorsport, Australia Speed. Today we've got one of the all-time greats. I know they have their few little problems, but if you can get past them little problems, they are a beast of a car, really. Like, to have this factory fitted is pretty crazy, and they make a lot of torque. And the little blower is very responsive. It's like a small turbo, basically, not in the mannerism of spool, I suppose, meaning that, yeah, it comes on early with the small rotor pack compared to a 2650. So it's quite nimble, and for its pound for pound, yeah, it works well. What we've got is our CNC heads. You'll see here the nice shiny end. Big pod filter setup. It's got our basically LSA Max Camshaft in there. We have our pulley setup, 10%, and I think it's a 64 on the top. So yeah, cool setup. Booster pump as well, because these things, as soon as you put big injectors, you don't have enough fuel pressure. There's a fair bit of mucking around with the tuning as well that goes on. So yeah, it's a pretty cool, yeah, basically car that still can drive around factory. This is the LSA Max Cam, so a lot of customers choose this. We have two camshafts. They make very similar power. The LSA Max does make a little bit more, but the supercharged one on its own is very specific. So we call it the businessman's car, which probably would have suited a senator back 10 years ago, when we had a lot of business clients that wanted to be indiscreet but have all the power. These days now, it's all about the chop. So even in the senator, LSA Max it is. Let's start it up. Let's go for a run, show what it can do. We'll talk soon. Okay, awesome. That's an automatic transmission, nearly 700 rear wheel horsepower, 511 rear wheel kilowatts, working beautifully with a booster pump. Good result. You can see the torque as well. It's pretty impressive, and you know, we hit it hard as well from the start. You can see that we didn't baby it around to get a you know, just a max top end reading. So okay, yeah, you can see the torque we've just ran there. So yeah, beautiful. So guys, got one of these hiding. Don't just hide it, bring it out, and hey, if it does have something wrong, we can always fix it. Thanks guys.